Hey, and welcome back to Quiet Wealth Lab. If the stock market has always felt confusing or a little intimidating, you are in exactly the right place. Today, I am walking you through investing from absolute zero. No finance degree, no jargon, just a calm, clear, step-by-step path. By the end of this video, you will actually understand how this works and know your very first move. So get comfortable and let us get into it. Nat! Before you click away, let me make you a promise. By the end of this video, you'll know how to buy your very first stock with total confidence. You can start with as little as $25. It takes about 3 simple steps, and you need zero experience to begin. So do me one favor real quick. Hit that subscribe button, stick with me, and let's take this one calm step at a time. Trust me, this is going to be easier than you think. Here's the roadmap for today, so you know exactly what is coming. First, the basics, what stocks and the market really are. Then the language, so all those confusing terms finally click. After that, getting started, opening an account and buying your first share. We will cover smart strategy, how to actually read a stock, and I will leave you with a simple game plan you can act on today. 6 sections, and every single one builds on the last, so stick with me the whole way through. So let us start with the big question. What is a stock, really? A stock is simply a small piece of ownership in a real company. Buy one share, and you literally become a part owner, a shareholder. If that business grows and makes money, your slice can grow in value too, and some companies even pay you a cut of the profits called dividends. This is the key mindset I want you to take away. You are backing real businesses you believe in. You are not gambling. Okay, so where do you actually buy these shares? The stock market is a giant global marketplace where buyers and sellers trade shares. It is over 400 years old, and it runs every single business day. Here's the flow in 4 steps. A company lists its shares to raise money. Exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ connect buyers and sellers. Why? IQA. You place an order through a broker or an app in seconds, and prices move based on supply, demand, and how the company is performing are 6th. That is the whole engine, simplified. Now let us kill the jargon, because this is where a lot of beginners get scared off, and it really does not need to be scary. A share is 1 unit of ownership, a dividend is a cash payout of profits. An index tracks a whole basket of stocks, like the S&P 500, and an index fund simply copies that index, giving you instant diversification. An ETF is a bundle of many stocks you trade like a single share, and your portfolio is just everything you own. That is it. You now officially speak the language. You are going to hear these 2 words constantly, so let us demystify them right now. A bull market is when prices are generally rising, optimism and confidence are high, and historically these actually last longer. A bear market is a drop of 20% or more from recent highs, when fear and pessimism take over the headlines. Mutts! But here is the mindset shift I want you to remember. Bear markets are usually shorter, they are part of every cycle, and they are often the best time for patient investors to buy. So do not fear them, understand them. So why bother investing at all? One word, compounding. Time turns small, steady deposits into serious wealth. Look at this example. $200 a month at roughly 7% average annual growth over 30 years. Snowballs into around $240,000. And here's the kicker. Only about $72,000 of that is money out of your own pocket. Quick, honest note. That 7% is an illustrative long-term average, not a guarantee, and markets rise and fall. But the lesson is crystal clear. Start early and stay consistent. All right, let us get practical. How do you actually open your first account? Good news. Most brokerage accounts open online in about 15 minutes. Step 1, pick a trusted broker or app with low fees and no minimums. Step 2, sign up and verify your identity. Step 3, link your bank and transfer in your first deposit. And step 4, you are funded and ready to buy. That is genuinely the entire process. If you can order something online, you can do this. Now the exciting part, placing your very first order. On your screen, you will pick the company you understand, find its ticker symbol, choose how many shares, and even 1 share, or a fraction, is totally fine. Then set the order type where a market order simply buys at the current price, which is it. Review it, hit buy, and congratulations, you are officially an investor. A few beginner tips. Start small with money you will not miss. Use fractional shares to own big companies for a few dollars. Consider a broad index fund or ETF as your first buy. And do not panic over day 1 price wiggles. Slovakia D. Fist. Wiggles. Remember, you are here for years. Here is a rule that will save you a lot of pain. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification just means spreading your money across many companies and sectors so that one bad apple cannot sink your whole portfolio. One stock can crash, but an entire market rarely does. Index funds and ETFs hand you instant diversification in a single buy, and mixing sectors means you are not betting everything on one industry. It is simple, but it is one of the most powerful moves you can make as an investor. This might just be the most important lesson in the whole video, so lean in. Time in the market beats timing the market. Long-term investing generally beats short-term trading. The longer you stay invested, the better your odds, and reinvested dividends absolutely supercharge your growth. The tool that makes this easy is dollar cost averaging. You invest a fixed amount on a regular schedule, buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they are high. It removes emotion. It kills the stress of trying to find the perfect moment, and you can automate the entire thing. Set it, and let consistency quietly build your wealth. Let us talk about the mistakes that trip up almost every single beginner so that you can skip right past them. Do not panic. Sell in a dip. That just locks in your losses. Do not chase hype, because buying whatever is trending usually means buying right at the top. Do not bet everything on one stock. Do not try to perfectly time the market. Even the pros cannot. Never invest money you will need soon. And keep an eye on fees, because high fees quietly eat away at your returns. Avoid these 6, and honestly, you are already ahead of most people out there. When you are sizing up a stock, there are 2 main lenses you can look through. Fundamental analysis asks, is this a good business? It studies the company's financial health, earnings, revenue, debt, and ratios like the price to earnings, and it is best for long-term investors. Technical analysis asks a different question. What is the price doing? It studies charts, trends, volume, and momentum, and it is popular with short-term traders. As a beginner, I want you to lean fundamental, but it really helps just to know that both of these exist. Let us make chart reading simple, because it honestly looks way scarier than it is. First, look at the trend. Is the price generally rising or falling over time? Second, zoom out because years tell you a far truer story than a single day ever will. Third, glance at the P/E ratio to get a rough sense of how expensive a stock is compared to its earnings. And yes, green means up and red means down. But please, never invest based on color alone. Master those few things, and you are already reading charts better than most beginners. Okay, let us turn everything we just covered into real action. Here are your first 5 steps. 1. Set a simple goal and a monthly amount you can comfortably invest. 2. Open a low-fee brokerage account this week. Not someday, this week. 3. Start with a broad index fund or ETF. 4. Automate your investing and dollar cost average so you never have to think about timing. And 5. Stay calm, stay consistent, and think in decades. Host, do these, and you are not just watching a video. You are actually investing. And that is it. You are ready. Start small, stay steady, and grow wealthy. Remember, the best time to start was years ago. The second best time is right now, today, and your future self is already thanking you for it. If this video helped you, do me a favor. Give it a like, subscribe to Quiet Wealth Lab for you, and most importantly, go invest in yourself. One quick reminder, this is educational content only, not financial advice, so always do your own research. I will see you in the next one.